Your cat self-washes. Now, so does their cat box. Cat Genie is a cat box that cleans like an appliance and flushes like a toilet. Unlike all litter boxes, Cat Genie uses washable granules that are cleaned like new and never need changing. When Kitty goes, liquids drain into odor-killing Santa solution. Solids get scooped into a hopper where they're liquefied and flushed down the drain or toilet and out of your home for good. Then the cat-safe, vet-approved Santa solution mixes with fresh water. The solution thoroughly washes, scrubs, and scours the bowl and granules pure as new. Finally, a blower completely dries the granules for your cat's comfort. All you do is touch the preset button and never touch cat litter again.
When you get home after a long day, you want to spend time with your cat and not cleaning her litter box. With a pet-safe, Simply Clean automatic litter box, you will enjoy more time with your furry friend as the system cleans the litter box for you. Setup is a snap and really simple. Remove the screws from the center of the litter bowl and the top of the conveyor system. Lift the conveyor system to the upright position. Then attach the litter guard to the litter bowl by first placing the plastic tab on the end of the guard under the lip of the bowl and then attaching the vertical plastic clips to the guard. Be sure the guard will fit under the conveyor system. Then lower the conveyor system and reattach the screws. Next, find the 3 holes in the conveyor cover and align them with the posts on the conveyor system. Snap the cover into place. The waste receptacle can be used without a liner, or the common grocery bag can be used to line the waste receptacle. Insert the waste receptacle into the Simply Clean litter box system. Fill the litter bowl with premium clumping scoopable cat litter to the fill line. Now plug the AC adapter into the litter box. The green light will illuminate. To transition your cat to the Simply Clean litter box, place it next to your cat's current litter box. Let it sit for a couple of days without scooping while the Simply Clean automatically cleans itself. Your cat will quickly move to the cleaner box. The Simply Clean litter box system makes 1 complete rotation per hour. To test your system, put 1 piece of tape on the base of the unit and the other on the bowl of the unit. After several minutes, the 2 pieces of tape should be several inches apart. Your cat won't notice the movement and will want to use the Simply Clean consistently because a fresh litter box is available 24/7. As one of the quietest systems on the market, you will not be bothered with any cleaning cycles and special bags, trays, or bins to maintain making disposing your cat's waste easy on you and your wallet.
With its highly engineered technology, Scoop Free is a virtually touch-free, leave it and don't worry about it litter system. After your cat uses Scoop Free, the super absorbent, odor-trapping Scoop Free crystals begin to absorb wetness and dry out solid waste. Then, 20 minutes after your cat leaves, sensors activate the stainless steel cleaning rake. It's whisper quiet and rakes waste into a covered trap, sealing away waste and odor. Then you just throw it away. Your hands never touch messy waste or litter.
Scoop Free helps keep your home clean and fresh.
It's easy to set up. Simply lift the box and slide in a disposable litter tray pre-filled with Scoop Free crystals. Then every few weeks simply cover the tray, throw it away, and replace with a fresh one. Unlike traditional litter boxes that spread a foul odor throughout your house, Scoop Free uses crystals which absorb wetness and lock away odors on contact, and then seal odors and waste in the covered trap.
Traditional cat litter boxes are a real chore to maintain. Daily scooping is a hassle, and controlling odor is a constant battle. What's worse, odors in the air can be absorbed in your furniture, curtains, and other household items. Break free from daily scooping and eliminate odors once and for all with the Pet Zone's Smart Scoop automatic litter box. Smart Scoop has been rated the top performer among automatic litter boxes by an independent testing lab. Just fill your Smart Scoop with clumping cat litter, insert the odor-absorbing carbon zeolite filter, and cover the waste tray with a no-touch bag. Shortly after your cat leaves the box, dirty clumps are scooped up and deposited into the odor-trapping waste bin. Independent testing has proven Smart Scoop's whisper-quiet motor won't startle cats or disrupt your household. Its rugged construction and unique design means Smart Scoop cleans the heaviest clumps while leaving clean litter behind, saving you money. When the tray is full, simply remove the bag, tie it, and toss it. No-touch bags ensure you'll never touch dirty litter again. SmartScoop's modular design with separate detachable components makes it easy to disassemble in minutes for easy cleaning and maintenance. Just discard the used litter and wash the pan, litter rake, and waste bin. PetZone SmartScoop is backed by a 1-year warranty. Toll-free customer support and a dedicated customer service team are just a phone call away. With the PetZone SmartScoop automatic litter box, your cat's litter box is a chore no more.
Now you can monitor key indicators of your pet's health and behavior with your phone. Introducing Our Pet's Intelligent Pet Care products, combining easy-to-use technology with an innovative solution to everyday pet care. The SmartScoop Intelligent Litter Box lets you spend more time with your cat and less time with the litter box. And it uses Bluetooth technology to monitor your cat's waste behaviors. The SmartScoop Intelligent Litter Box waits 15 minutes after your cat leaves the box to allow the litter to completely clump. The waste then gets scooped into the bag in the waste bin, keeping the area fresh and clean. The SmartScoop Intelligent Litter Box records the activity into an easy-to-access data log in the Intelligent Pet Link smartphone app. With this information, you can make sure that your cat's waste habits are normal. If they aren't, the app will notify you that it may be a good idea to take your cat to see a veterinarian. Be sure to show the data log to the vet. By using the Intelligent Pet Link smartphone app, you can monitor elimination behavior, both use frequency and duration. Deviation may be early indicators of urinary tract problems, diabetes, or other health issues. Litter box maintenance, such as when it's time to make bag and filter changes. When the litter box requires attention, like a stubborn clump or when you need to add more litter, and when other animals, such as a dog wearing a SmartLink tag, are near the litter box. The app can also send you reminders to order additional supplies such as bags and filters. The SmartScoop comes with 4 universal no-touch waste bags, a universal carbon filter, and a 2-year warranty. If you would like to monitor your pet's waste behaviors beyond the perimeter of your home, the SmartLink Gateway Wi-Fi Pet Care connector converts the short-range Bluetooth signal into a long-range Wi-Fi signal, allowing you to receive notifications from almost any location. If you don't have the SmartLink Gateway, the data will be sent to your phone when you return home. The SmartLink Tag and SmartLink Gateway are sold separately and are not required for operation. Multiple SmartLink tags are required if you have more than one cat that will be using the litter box. Additional Our Pet's waste management accessories can make your cleaning and maintenance duties easier.